Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Now guys, in this video I will be showing you how I do my juicing. Also, I only use organic fruits and vegetables. So here I do have some fresh green apples, some purple and orange organic beets. I also have some celery, guys, and then ginger. There's so much stuff that I have over here that I want to show you guys, but you'll see all of that as we do hop into this video. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, which gives your immunity a boost, and it also wards off cancer. So vitamin C is one of the antioxidants that can actually help with cancer prevention. And for the ladies or even men, it also helps keep your wrinkles at bay the older you get. So the power of vitamin C in strawberries is vital to the production of collagen, which helps improve your skin's elasticity and also the resilience of your skin. Okay guys, so first you want to start off by cleaning your fruits and veggies really well. Now, I like to cut the ends off of my celery because as you can see, it's a little bit dirty at the end. That's where it attracts the most dirt. So I do want to at least cut that white part off of the celery. But celery, it actually cleanses out all the toxins inside of your body. And it also contains vitamin K, A, and C, at least 10% folate. The minerals that you will get is potassium, calcium, sodium, and manganese. Boosts up your energy, your carbohydrates. It gives you protein. Here are 5 celery health benefits that you may want to consider. So guys, number 1, celery actually helps fight cancer off, and then it also reduces inflammation associated with any chronic disease. It also reduces your risk of heart disease. Celery can also support male fertility, which is amazing. And number 5, it supports the gut and your digestive health. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, which gives your immunity a boost. And it also wards off cancer. So vitamin C is one of the antioxidants that can actually help with cancer prevention. For the ladies or even men, it also helps keep your wrinkles at bay the older you get. So the power of vitamin C in strawberries is vital to the production of collagen, which helps improve your skin's elasticity and also the resilience of your skin. Carrots keep your hair happy and also healthy. It also creates glowing skin, prevents wrinkles, protects your teeth, nourishes your skin. Carrots also protects your eyesight, treats your skin blemishes, protects your skin from the sun, and also reduces the look of oily skin. That saying, you are what you eat, guys, that saying is so true. Whatever you put into your body is totally going to determine the look of your skin. So I know you probably see me put the stems of the beets inside the juicer. That's because it actually has so many nutrients and also protein. So benefits of beets, it actually keeps your blood pressure in check. It can improve athletic performance. It may help fight inflammation in your body. It improves your digestive health. It supports your brain health and may have some anti-cancer properties as well. Beets also help you lose weight. Here are some surprising beauty benefits of green apples. Green apples fights wrinkles due to the fact that they are full of antioxidants, and it would actually help keep your skin elastic and fight off the aging process. It improves skin texture, provides a vitamin C boost, combats acne if you struggle with acne, and then it also provides natural sun protection for your skin. Cucumbers provide a base for hydration, soothes irritation, helps combat premature aging, aids acne-prone skin, and also reduces swelling and puffiness. Benefits of lemon: it lowers your blood pressure, prevents cancer, helps you maintain a healthy complexion, boosts your immune system. It's also good for weight loss, and it has a lot of vitamin C. Then it can also lower your risk of a stroke. Last but not least, here are some health benefits of ginger you need to know about. Ginger reduces the risk of diabetes. It's a natural way to relieve period pain. It's an anti-inflammatory. It can settle an upset stomach, curb morning sickness. It helps prevent heart disease, and it may lower the risk of cancer. There you go. Those were some of the health benefits of the veggies and fruits that I used in my juicing today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. As you guys can see, the color is so vibrant. It tastes so delicious, guys. So if you do end up trying this juice, please come back to this video and comment and let me know how you liked it. Did you like the taste of it? And let me know if you want to try this at home. Yeah, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Talk to you in my next video. Bye.